In this ongoing pandemic, CBSE is introducing OMR-based examination this year. Students of class 10th and 12th have to give this mode of pre-board examination. It is a revolutionary step taken by CBSE for the first time in education domain. Benefit of OMR-based examination is the student will get hands-on practice and make them exam ready. As far as teachers are concerned, it would save their time in evaluating descriptive answer sheets. You might need to hire a professional or a team to conduct an exam, or you might need to buy bulky printers for printing thousands of OMR sheets. Wondering how will you conduct the exam on OMR, or worried about handling bulky scanners and printers for conducting OMR-based examinations? Verificare is the one-stop solution to solve your problems. One software for conducting examinations seamlessly and without spending unnecessary costs. You can generate results in a click by exporting data in various formats. Special offer for schools, 30% discount on Verificare. The best OMR solution is just a click away.